Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve Legend of League VC runtime 140 under source 1.dll was not found error on Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. If you are getting this by installing any games or all kind of related problems in DLL file, let's fix it guys. Go to Chrome, any browser you have it, and type here DLL files. It's go to dllfiles.com, missing DLL files for free. You need to search here VC runtime 140. We need to download here runtime 140 space 1.dll. We need to download 140 space 1.dll. See carefully guys, VC runtime 140 space 1.dll. You need to click on it. Click on it again, and now it's come. Click on download icon over here, click it, and downloading VC runtime space .dll is downloading. After downloaded, you need to click on show in folder, and now be careful guys, listen carefully. Open it and copy this VC runtime 140 space .dll. You need to go to this PC, local disk C, and you need to go to Windows, and you need to search for SYS system 32. Here is system 32. Open it, and just you need to right click and paste it guys. Here is the paste option over here. I am not having this problem guys, I already resolved it. You should good to go guys by this time. I already having this file, that's why this is asking replace the file in the destination. Skip this file I am giving, and go to Windows again guys, back forward to Windows, and you need to search for WOW. To search for SYS 32, SYS wow 64, double click on it and right click on empty space and paste it guys. We need to paste here also. Click continue. This is installed guys. After installing this, close out of here, go to Chrome again, close it. You need to search for Microsoft SOFT, Microsoft space direct DIRECT Microsoft DirectX download. We need to click on Microsoft DirectX end user runtime. You need to go to original Microsoft website guys, don't go other sites, and scroll down. You need to select whatever language you want it and download it. After downloading this, before installing this, let's go to another website and download the third step also guys. Third step, you need to go to Microsoft SOFT, Microsoft C++. Click on Microsoft Visual C++. You need to download it guys. Go to latest supported Visual C++ and scroll down, and here you got a link 64-bit. download it, and let's go to open in folder guys. Show in folder. First we are going to run the DirectX guys. Double click on it, click yes, and continue. Please type the location to extracted file. You need to select the file, extract the file. In downloads it's best to use it. Here gets DirectX setup guys. You need to click on it and click yes. Now DirectX is installing guys. After installing it, let's wait. This will useful for games, playing games. After finishing this, click on finish guys. After installing this DirectX setup, go and install the VC. Last time we installed Microsoft Visual C++. Double click on it and you need to install it guys. Click I am agree and install. Click yes. Click OK. Click close out of here. Now go to settings guys. Now you need to check whether your Windows update is up to date. I am up to date guys. If whether your computer has update pending, you need to download it guys. After that, go to search menu and type cmd, run as administrator, click yes. Now here you need to type sfc space slash scannow, sfc space slash scannow, press enter guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time guys. Being verification phase of system scan, this 2% need to get 100%. After completing this, go and restore your PC. You should good to go guys. I hope this tutorial definitely work for you guys. You can play game whatever you have it. Thanks for watching my video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.